abantu abaningi kugcwele izinkuni zesihogo, kugcwele abantu abangatransformed, abantu abangamgqamisa uJesu, kugcwele abantu abahamba inyanga, bahamba nayo umfundisi. Baningi bagcwele ngaphakathi kodwa bahamba inyanga, bayasona. Abafundisi banamhlanje bahamba inyanga. Ligcwala isonto, ligcwaliswa omamtsotsi. Ahambe neBM enkulu, angabi khona umuntu osuccessful njengaye. Kube uyena kuphela umuntu osuccessful ngemali yabantu. Ukungcono okwenziwe yithi sinabefundisi. Sithi usuccessful ngoba unamabhentla u20. Umuntu obheka amabhentla u20. Inkundla sokho zonke lezi. The difference, let me explain this. A successful church is not successful because abantu abaningi balapha. But abantu abaningi, they must go to a successful church. Ithanda ukuthi kweKhanzanya mina. So ubonakala lento uthi ngubishop, nguapostle, ngumprophet, ngu-teacher of the word. Ifika sewuqale wawumzalwane qala. Wasuba yi-servant in the kingdom of God. So akusona ama-title lawo, ama-function. Sinabantu who are apostles who do not function as apostles. Sinabantu who are bishop who do not function as bishop because abakayi qualify level. Asimeke now.